So we have an example here, and it's special triangles, and these are right triangles, and we have a mix of a 30, 60, 90 triangle and a 45, 45, 90 triangle. As a best practice that I have and I use frequently is to draw the triangles just so we have an idea of what we're looking for whenever we're trying to find any kind of missing side. So this is 45. This is 45 here, and so our sides are s and s, and the hypotenuse is going to be s square root of 2. And then we're going to do the same thing also for the 30, 60. So this is 30, this is right, this is 60. So our s here, hypotenuse is 2s, and then we have s square root of 3. So if we look at this, we have, I'm going to bring out the 45, 45, 90 first. So this is 45 here. This is also 45 over here. And here we have 10. So this is going to also be 10. And then this is going to be 10 square root of 2. So we can see here that x is equal to 10 square root of 2. But then we have this 10 over here is going to be y plus z. So now we need to find, we'll bring out our 30, 60, 90, so we can easily find the missing side. So this is going to be 60 here. This is 30 over here. And we have 10 for this, and we need to find, this is going to be our y. And remember that the side opposite 60 is s square root of 3. So this is equal to 10. And so we're going to divide both sides by square root of 3, divide by square root of 3. And so s is equal to 10 divided by square root of 3. Now we need to rationalize this radical. So we're going to multiply numerator and denominator by square root of 3. And we're going to get 10 square root of 3 divided by 3. So now we know that y plus z equal to 10. So we need to find, we know what y is. Y is 10 square root of 3 divided by 3 plus z equal to 10. So z is equal to 10 over 1 minus 10 square root of 3 over 3. So we're simply going to solve this fraction, and so we have z equal to, we're going to multiply it this way, multiply it that way, and then multiply it that way. So we have 10 multiplied by 3, which is 30, minus 10 square root of 3 over 3. And that's going to be our answer for z. So therefore, x is equal to 10 square root of 2. Y is equal to 10 square root of 3 over 3. And then z is equal to 30 minus 10 square root of 3 over 3.